Hello. Hi. How are you? Good. How are you?
Do you like doing sport?
Yeah. Yes.
So if you had to give me a score out of 10, using your fingers, what would it be? Wow, that is amazing. What is it that you like about playing sport?
I like it because it keeps your body healthy. You get to like make new friends, you get to see them, you get to play a sport that you really like.
Are there any sports that you don't play that you'd like to play?
Rugby,
Volleyball, rugby, darts and kickboxing.
tennis.
So what is it about those sports that you think are really good fun?
Yeah, they look really fun and like they feel really fun.
When like you watch someone watch people play it, it just looks really cool and fun.
Do you think doing sport helps you do your schoolwork?
Yeah.
There's a sport where you have to do maths to get on the right angles. Like say basketball, you would have to shoot on the right angle to get it in the net.
Yeah, because playing darts, it improves my maths.
It was really interesting. Quite a few of them said that they really liked doing darts because it was also good for the maths.
Yeah.
And it was, for me, that kind of connection between it being good for the, mental agility, and it wasn't just the sport, it was all the other things that would give you.
Yeah, I think foundation learning, since that's come in, I think learning through play has kind of definitely helped our younger ones apply that. You know, they're doing it through their maths and their literacy, so it's hitting all of the, areas that we want them to do it in the classroom as well as at playtimes and our free time.
What don't you like about sport?
I don't like playing individual sport because it feels like all the pressure's on you, and I like where you work together instead of just doing it by your own.
I think that's really important about a team sport, but you've all got to have a go at it, haven't you? If you all had to pick one word to describe what you think about doing sport, what would it be?
Epic. Amazing.
Fantastic.
Enjoyment. Energetic. And sports sometimes make me feel nervous.
Lots of people feel nervous when you start something new. It's really hard because you're thinking, am I going to know anyone? Am I going to be good? Am I going to be bad?
You need to find the sport that you like so you can carry on doing it.
Who thinks it's really important to play lots of different sports? Everyone. Wow, okay.
If you only do one sport, you'll just have the same set of skills. But if you try loads, you've got like a bit of everything. You've got like a bit of like tennis, you've got a bit of gymnastics, you've got a bit of swimming, you've got a bit of rugby. That means you'll get more confident on doing more stuff and trying new things. I think it's good to have like different friend groups. Like if you're feeling sad, you can go to either of them.
I think it's always really exciting when you learn to do something new and then you can see yourself getting better at it. When you're playing sport, who are the really important people around you that make a difference?
My coach, the people who told me to try and do some sports, like my mum and my uncle, my family, really, because they're the one who inspired me to start doing it. And if they didn't inspire me, I would have just been sitting home doing nothing.
So is there any more that we can do to help young people be active and play sport?
I think just giving them the opportunity to put their opinions across. I think the sports survey is so important because we have different children, different cohorts, and their interests are changing all of the time, and it's just making sure that we can provide those opportunities for our classes and our children, yeah.
It's important that it's what they want to do, not us as administrators just sitting in an office deciding what we think they should be doing.
Yeah.
So it's been amazing to talk to you today to find out what you think, because that helps us make better decisions, not just for you, but for the next generation of young people. So thank you.